Thank you very much. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that the Kenya Revenue Authority Amendment Bill 2026 be now read a second time. Honorable Speaker, if you can protect me, this is a straightforward, minor legislative cleanup to align our tax administration laws with contemporary realities. The bill contains critical legislative updates designed to streamline the administration of revenue collection laws in our country. Honorable Speaker, the bill introduces procedural and terminology updates to reflect the current corporate governance structure of the authority. This is a non-money bill under Article 114 of the Constitution and will not require additional public funding, and it fully respects devolution as it does not affect or alter any functions of county governments. The objective of the bill, Honorable Speaker, is that the primary objective of the bill is to modernize the Kenya Revenue Authority Act by removing obsolete structural terms and also seeks to synchronize the schedule of revenue-related laws with recently enacted and repealed legislation. The bill aims to clean up legal reference to ensure absolute clarity and prevent statutory conflicts during enforcement. Honorable Speaker, the proposals is that, Honorable Speaker, clause 2 clause 2 and 3 propose deleting the term ex officio from section 7 and 8 of the Principal Act, and this deletion is necessary because the term no longer fits the current composition and structure of the board. Honorable Speaker, the section of the KRA Act establishes a crisp board composition that includes the chairperson, Commissioner General, PS Finance, Attorney General, and 6 independent members. Honorable Speaker, clause 4 updates the first schedule by replacing the outdated standards levy order of 1990 with the current 2025 order. Honorable Speaker, the bill officially deletes the reference to the old repealed sugar bill. Honorable Speaker, I urge the House to support these non-contentious amendments, Honorable Speaker, to ensure our legal books remain clean, accurate.
Order, members. Order, members.
Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Osoro, hold on. Honorable Osoro, hold on. Order, members.
Let me proceed.
I know many of you really want to be thrown out of these chambers. I am not doing it. Honorable members, let us give Honorable Osoro a chance to finish up. We only have 2 minutes.
Honorable Speaker, in conclusion, Honorable Speaker, this meeting adjustment shifts the board's focus away from day-to-day micromanagement towards sustainable long-term oversight, performance trends, and risk management. Honorable Speaker, I urge the House to support these non-contentious amendments to ensure our legal books remain clean, accurate, and functional. I now request the Chair of Finance Committee, the Honorable Kuria Kimani, to second. Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
Order, members. Honorable Kimani, hold your horse. Honorable members.